How to scan our document and save as PDF file on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, so make sure turn on scan document and text. Turn on this button and turn on auto scan. After turn on this button, go back to home screen and click on gallery app and select picture and click on this icon and click on scan. So you will select scan from here. So click on save. So you will see. After save, click on this three dot icon and click on print and click on save and click on PDF and click on done. You will see your picture is saved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can scan a document and save as PDF files on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.